Imagine for a moment you're doing a little research on a project. Maybe you've opened up a document in some other application, or maybe it's over the web. You've got Internet Explorer open and you're browsing the web and you find some vital information that you want to keep here in your notebook in OneNote. Well, in this lesson, we're going to explore a feature that will allow you to do that. It's a huge time saver. I think it's really cool. It's called the screen clipping, which does allow you to select a portion of your screen that gets copied to OneNote as an image. That image could appear inside an existing note, or you can create a new one out of it. So what we're going to do here is work with our user conference notebook from the previous lessons, and we're going to go into Internet Explorer and get a picture of one of the venues that we might use for our user conference, the Chateau Laurier. Now, I've already got my web browser open. I'm going to go down to my taskbar and show you that here there's a photo gallery with a picture of the Chateau Laurier in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. I'm going to switch back now to OneNote. And I think it would be good if we could put that picture in our meeting notes when we talk about the best venue for this user conference. So we're still using the same notebook from the previous lessons, but if you've got the exercise files and you've jumped to this lesson, you can get caught up by going to the Lesson 2 folder and opening up User Conf 3 2008. We'll go to the Meeting Notes tab and make sure that we're on the second note, which is the meeting of September 9th. Here's where we decided Chateau Laurier is the best candidate for our user conference venue. So we can add the picture to this note. You can see my insertion point inside here, or if I click over here, the image will be added to that spot in the note. Or you might want to create a new note out of it. So I'm just going to click out here to the right. I'm not inside that existing note anymore. And I'm going to capture the screen. A couple different ways to create a screen clipping. I can go up to my standard toolbar here. You can see there's my screen clipping button to copy part of the screen into OneNote as an image. Or if you prefer, go up to the insert menu. You'll see screen clipping there as well. Now when you click on it here or on the toolbar, OneNote kind of disappears temporarily. Whatever was up in the background, in this case, my Internet Explorer on the web page showing me the picture of the Chateau Laurier, all I have to do now with my crosshair as a mouse pointer is click and drag over the area that I want to copy. So in this case, it's the image that I see down below here. I'm going to click and drag from up here across and down. That's the image I want. Watch what happens when I let go. I'm back into OneNote. There's my new note, which has the image in it. There's the image I just captured, but there's some additional information down below as well. I'm going to click outside the frame just to show you that down below, this is the hotel photo gallery and tour, Fairmont Chateau Laurier Hotel in Ottawa. Look at that. There's even a link to the website. So even if I don't have Internet Explorer open at the time, when I click this link, it will launch it and take me to that page. What a nice time saver. So I like that feature. It's called the screen clipping. And keep in mind, it doesn't have to be a web browser displaying a web page. It could be anything on your screen. It could be an email. It could be another application with a document open in it. Using the screen clipping, you get quick and easy access to a portion of your screen, and it's copied directly into the page where you start it here in your notebook in Microsoft OneNote.